welcome back to my channel. Few weeks back I shared my homemade hair mask for frizzy damaged hair, and after watching that video one of my viewers sent me email asking if I can share homemade face mask. Now I do have the nighttime skincare routine video where I show you exactly what are the product I use, in order I use them, as well as few of the masks. Now those masks is store-bought, it is available everywhere. So I thought, why not share my mini, if you would call, facial at home, how I do it, as well as the 2 DIY homemade face mask. Because let's face it, whenever we have to go some special occasion, we don't have a time to go to spa every time. But if we have the right product at home, we can achieve that same result at home. So I'm gonna walk you through, I'll show you exactly everything, what I do. So let's get started. So first of all, it is really important to make sure the face is clean. So you want to wash your face really well, pat it dry, because we need to prepare our skin in order to get all the benefit from the mask which we're gonna use. So after you clean your face really well, pat it dry, and then we're gonna give steam to our face. The reason we want to use the steam is so basically that it opens up our pores, and I don't do any extract or anything. I don't have that problems, and I don't know, somehow I don't like to do it. Even if I go to spa and when they do it, I ask them that if it's really bad then do it, otherwise don't even bother with it. Because when you extract, basically you know, that pores get bigger and bigger, and I don't like it, so I don't do that. So if you even see my skin very closely, I don't have any pores at all. My skin is very smooth. So that's the one thing I don't do it. But if you feel comfortable doing it, go for it. But for that, first you need to give steam to your face. And thank you so much Liberex to send me this face steamer. So I'm getting all the benefit. My skin is loving it. I've been using this from about more than 2-3 weeks, I would say, and I use it. My kids started using it and they love it, you know, because I have 2 teenagers boys, and this is the time that they do start getting pimples sometime here and there, and they freak out because it's like, Mom, so what's going on? And I was like, okay, you need to make sure your skin is clean properly. So I let them use this once a week if they want it, but I definitely use this at least once a week. It sits here right on my counter, and it's really easy to use. So basically it comes in this box. So even if you need to, let's say, give someone a gift, you could do that. Also, it comes with the instruction booklet, so all the instruction is right there, and once you open it, this is how it looks like. And you do have this slot where you can add the water in it. So they do provide the measuring cup, so you can just fill the water. Regular tap water is fine, so you can fill that. Also it comes with the charger. So basically all you need to do, open it and pour some water in it, and also there is a mark in there like maximum and minimum and all that, so you can exactly see it. And that's it. After you fill it out, you can see exactly how much water you have put it in, and then close it and turn it on. Once you turn it on, there is a on button. Once you press that, you do get that green sign. That means it's working, and within a few seconds you have the steam coming at your face. And believe me guys, this steam is not like it's coming right at you. It's very, very fine, and it's not, it is, I would say it's hot, but it's not like it's uncomfortable basically. And within a few seconds I can see like all the sweat is coming out from my face, and once the water is low, this machine turns off very quickly, like by itself basically. So it lasts you for about 10 minutes. Once you give steam to your face for about 10 minutes, after that you want to pat it dry, make sure your face is dry. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply the face mask on my face. Now the first face mask which I'm using, that is for the dry skin. So for that I need 2 tablespoons besan, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, as well as dash of turmeric. Yogurt is natural moisturizer, honey cleans your skin, turmeric works as an antiseptic that maintains the pH level on your skin. So all this mixture of the ingredients will heal your skin, dry skin basically naturally. So I'm gonna apply that face mask on my face for about another 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. After that, guys, your skin will feel so soft. And those kind of masks I usually like to do it at night time. Second mask which I'm gonna show you guys, that is for the pimple scar. Once in a while we do get the pimples. It leaves that scar behind, and that part of our skin gets really dark. So if you do this mask at least once a week, you will see the result. And for that we need multani mitti as well as lemon juice and just a dash of turmeric. Now, multani mitti is known for healing properties against acne and blemishes. It is rich in magnesium chloride. It helps reduce the acne scar and keep your skin clean. Turmeric is an antiseptic to maintain the pH level of your skin, and the acidic content in lemon extract, it brings the dots and out, and it keeps your skin basically germ free. So combination of all these ingredients will take care of any kind of scars that basically you have on your skin. So after mixing everything again, I do apply on my skin and leave it there again for about 10 minutes, and then just wash it with the cold water, and you will start seeing the result, I would say, within a 1 or 2 use. So I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you Liberex to send me this face steamer. I will talk to you guys soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.